guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first video, hi, I'm Alaina, and this is The Organized Money, where we talk about planning life and managing money. In today's video, we are going to be setting up my personal and health planner. I'm going to be sharing with you how I set it up and how I use my personal planner in order to help me stay on top of my health. Now, this was Monday's video where I shared with you the after the pen spread of how I plan out my week, but my personal and health planner is the planner that I will use to basically help me to stay on top of everything that I need to do for my overall health. Now, last week I didn't use any stickers in any of my planners, mainly because I was in a rush. I didn't have time to decorate. So this week we are going to continue with the sticker kit that I used in my hourly spread, and that is this sticker kit by Happy Sherpa. And I've already been using some of the stickers here for my hourly spread, and I am just going to continue to use the ones that I have for all of my other planners as well. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna start off by adding some washi. I do like to add washi at the very bottom of my spread, and this kit had two sets of washi tape. They had the thicker washi tape that I used in Monday's video on my hourly spread, and the thinner strip of washi tape that I am using here. Now I'm also gonna decorate with some full boxes. I don't use full boxes on my hourly spread, mainly because I like to have enough room to be able to write in everything that I need there. But on this spread, I am able to decorate a little bit more, and I still have enough room to write in everything that I need to write. So I use this planner to help myself keep up with my health and anything personal that I have going on. I like to use the middle section to keep track of everything that I am eating for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I also track my workouts, my sleep, my mood, my vitamins, and my outfits within this planner. I use my sidebar to keep track of all of my personal routines. So my hair, skincare, nail care, all of that goes on my sidebar as well. And then whenever I get those things done throughout the week, I will just check them off. I don't have a specific day that I might do my skincare routine or my hair care routine, but I do like to mark it off whenever it is happening throughout the week. Since I am using this planner mainly as a tracker, there isn't much planning going on here. I just set it up. I will add in a couple of stickers, and then as the week is going, I add the information that I need into this planner. Okay, so this is the final spread. As you can see, there isn't a lot of pre-planning within this planner. For the most part, I am planning as I go. I've already added the breakfast that I had this morning, and then every time that I eat, I am going to add it into this middle section here so that I am able to keep track of everything that I am consuming. I also have my sleep number scores all throughout the top spread of the planner, and then at the bottom here is where I'm keeping track of what I'm eating and any personal routines that I have along with my sidebar. So I hope that you have enjoyed this spread. I hope that it gave you a bunch of ideas, and I will see you in Friday's video. Until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.